Can you hear me now? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to B&CRC. I'm back in the studio, if you want to call it that. If you could see the clusterfucker on that camera, you'd probably laugh. You got 2 mini bikes sitting right there, a golf cart sitting right there, and all the usual fucking garbage piled up around me. But I'm back. I guess that's what counts. Gonna do a little unboxing today. Don't get excited about the pipe, you potheads. That's just tobacco in there. The old lady keeps the good stuff up in the house. I'm not allowed to touch it. Just pay for it. Got me an Axial Scx10. 3? Is that what they're called? I don't even remember. It's been so long since I've done this. I know I've already done an unboxing on these when that Blazer came out. I've took a couple years off the hobby. I just got back into it. Walking around the local shop, Small Addictions. Incredible store. We're lucky to have it local. Glad they survived without my ridiculous support for the last 2 years. But I guess I'm back. And walking around, when I first got back into it, I don't know, maybe a month ago, and I saw this vintage Bronco version of the Scx10. Like, hey, I could go for one of them. And then noticed the $500 price tag. I don't fucking think so. So, cross that one right off the list. And this morning I'm at work and I'm getting some spam, checking my Facebook or something, and I see there's a sale from Horizon. 200 bucks off. Now, I ain't gonna pay 500 for this motherfucker, but I will pay 300. And that's what I did. Stopped on the way home from work. Kind of was hoping they were sold out of them, so it would save me 300 bucks. But no such luck. They had one right there for me. I would only take the white one. I don't like the gay blue one. No offense if you're gay. Man, I haven't gotten any better at opening these boxes. And the scissors suck. Hopefully the camera's still rolling. Ain't done this in a long time. I expect more mistakes than usual. There's all kinds of details on the box and shit that I should be talking about, but I just don't feel like fucking dealing with it right now. You can watch one of them more professional unboxings. I think you just tune in here to hear me swear and fight with fucking cardboard, and so far I am not disappointed. Alright. There goes the box. Zip ties. Just like the old days. I bought a Traxxas Drag Slash too. I meant to unbox that for you guys, but I got a little impatient and took her out of the box and ran it and beat the shit out of it and ruined the tires the first time I had it out. Haven't even done any crawling yet. I did clean my trail off about halfway. That's a pretty good looking truck. If I didn't look that good, maybe I would have. Nah, I wouldn't have paid 500 ever. Being that Horizon put them on sale for $200 off, they'll probably be discontinued by the time you watch this. Usually how they operate. And that's okay, because I won't beat this up too bad. I'll use it a couple times, modify it a little bit maybe. If I ever get it out of the fucking box. And it'll sit on my shelf over there in good shape. Be sort of a collector's piece one day probably. Alright. Pretty good looking truck. I always like the old Broncos. There's your manual and stuff in this box. Nobody cares about that either. There we go. What the hell is that? We got 4 AA's, a little lug wrench. Whatever that is, maybe a receiver box or something. I noticed on the box this comes with a 2-speed transmission. But micro servo to shift the 2-speed transmission is not included. I don't like 2-speed, so I'm okay with that. But I'm going to have a conniption fucking fit if this thing shifts out of whatever gear it's in and gets stuck. I wonder how the body comes off. I probably should have done a little research, so I don't come on here and look like a fucking idiot. But if you remember me at all, you pretty much expect it, so. Okay, I see some pull tab thingies. Okay, body seems to be kind of loose. Okay, that's not. Okay, I think it's gonna come up. Not wreck it. Come on. Now what? Ah, more pull tab thing. Can't put them through the body. You gotta put them down underneath where you can barely see them, motherfuckers. Okay. Got body off. We must have some lights because there's all kinds of wires going here. Must be why it's $500. The lights in the body. Really detailed in the interior. There's all kinds of shifter levers and stuff to break off. Some good looking wheels on it. I don't know if they're bead locks or if they still come with glued tires. I'm going to look into that a little bit later. Looks like they're actually bead locks according to the back of the box. I can't take the body all the way off and show you because I don't want to dick around with them wires. I'm sure you've seen what the Scx10 is all about anyway. It's been out a long time. Got the little scale molded motor, inner fenders, battery tray on one side, and all the electronics on the other. It's mounted pretty low. Maybe it'll work pretty good the way it is. I'm sure I'll add weight to the wheels and some other odd doodad things. Good looking truck. I love that. Kind of ashamed to run it and fuck it all up, but more of ashamed to buy it and not use it, I guess. So that's it. Stay tuned. We got some oval stuff going on. I'm building a new track out here. Got a timing system for it. I'll make a video covering all that a little bit later. That's it. I'm done. I tried. I'm back. I'll be back with more later. I'll talk about radios and stuff next time, maybe. Bye-bye.